Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 8. Just some quick updates and reminders as we get started this week. So the first and most important thing is that there have been some changes to the due dates. 2 weeks ago, I posted some tentative due dates, and just due to some scheduling conflicts and just a little bit of time changes, those due dates have changed. So the final HLSA workshop will be this Wednesday, the 27th. That's the same as it was before. And then your habit number 7 one-pager will be due Sunday, the 31st. That's exactly the same as it was before. The changes come in when we talk about the HLSA draft. Originally, it was due Wednesday. It is now due Monday, the 1st of June. I need a little bit more time to get those graded. So the HLSA draft will be due Monday, the 1st of June. And at that HLSA workshop, I'll talk about what that looks like and just the details relating to the draft. And then your final video project for 7 habits will be due Tuesday, the 2nd. Originally, that one was due Wednesday as well, so I did bump that up one more day, but you should have plenty of time to get that done. So it will be due Tuesday, the 2nd. And then the biggest change, I think, is that the last day to submit any of the outstanding assignments, that includes any one-pagers that you missed or that you didn't complete, any late work, is due Sunday, the 31st. Again, originally I gave you a few more days to get that done, but due to some time restraints, it does need to be turned in by Sunday, the 31st. If you have any questions about this or you have a specific issue, please feel free to shoot me an email. So as I mentioned, you do have a final for the 7 habits. I'm going to post a video a little bit later today detailing what that final looks like. But basically, it's going to just be a video summarizing and evaluating the book. HLSA, I did want to just remind you, there was some confusion. You are submitting a full essay. This is not an outline. This is not just your notes. It is an entire essay from start to finish. I am saying draft because you are going to revise it at some point. So it is just a draft of that essay, but it is a complete essay, with an introduction and a conclusion and all of that. During this week's workshop, I am going to go over the rubric I'm going to use to grade the essay this time around. I'm going to answer any questions that you have, so please make sure to bring those. And then you're also going to have time to collaborate with your classmates and share your drafts, before that final push of it being due. One final note about grades, work habits, and citizenship. So grades are the same as we've discussed before. If your grade has gone down as a result of distance learning, it will be reverted back to your 3rd quarter progress report grade. If it's improved as a result of distance learning, you will get the higher grade. And then what is a little bit different is that work habits and citizenship grades relate to the entire semester. So if you have not done anything during distance learning, that will be reflected in your citizenship and your work habits grade. So it is very possible that you get an A as your academic grade for the semester, but you may get a U for citizenship and work habits if you have not been checking in and participating and attending the workshops. So as I mentioned to you before, it's really important to stay engaged and stay checked in, and that's why it's important. If you have any questions about this or you need more clarity, again, please feel free to email me. And that's it, you guys. We are in the home stretch. We are so close to the finish line. You guys are almost there. You've been working so hard, and I know that everything maybe feels like it's piling up, but the end is here. So as always, please let me know if you need anything, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I cannot wait to see you all soon.